Hi everyone, I'm Natalie from Let's Practice English. On this course we're going to learn some new vocabulary and phrases, some things that you can use in order to communicate with each other. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and let's get started. Okay. 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 Of course. Of course. Of course. Of course not. Of course not. Of course not. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's right. That's right. That's right. Sure. 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 Certainly. 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 Definitely. 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 Absolutely. 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 As soon as possible. As soon as possible. As soon as possible. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's not important. It's not important. It's not important. It's not serious. It's not serious. It's not serious. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. I'm in a hurry. I'm in a hurry. I'm in a hurry. I've got to go. I've got to go. I've got to go. Sleep well. Sleep well. Sleep well. I'm going out. I'm going out. I'm going out. Same to you. Same to you. Same to you. Me too. Me too. Me too. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. I like him. I like him. I like him. I like her. I like her. I like her. I like it. I like it. I like it. I don't like him. I don't like him. I don't like him. I don't like her. I don't like her. I don't like her. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Here. 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 There. 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 Everywhere. 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 Nowhere. 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 Somewhere. 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 Come in. Come in. Come in. Please sit down. Please sit down. Please sit down. Can I have your attention, please? Can I have your attention, please? Can I have your attention, please? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Get a move on. Get a move on. Get a move on. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Steady on. Steady on. Steady on. Hang on a second. Hang on a second. Hang on a second. Hang on a minute. Hang on a minute. Hang on a minute. One moment, please. One moment, please. One moment, please. Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Please be quiet. Please be quiet. Please be quiet. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Help yourself. Help yourself. Help yourself. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. After you. After you. After you.